touch my car like that, dude? You know what? I'm calling the cops.
Where am I supposed to go?
You have that fucking thing right in front of my nose. Come up fucking doing that shit. You know what? Yeah, you have something to hit me, dude? Huh? Stay here.
What is your problem, dude?
You gotta hit my fucking car, dude. What the problem is?
I pushed your door closed. You're the one that started yelling. You're the one parked sideways. What do you want me to do?
Did you hurt my car, dude?
I need a police officer.
Yeah, let's get one here.
She's already called the cops.
Good, that's good. The whole thing's on record, brother, okay? I got a dash cam.
Hey, I didn't have a problem with you.
Yeah, you slammed my door like that, dude? What's the problem?
I pushed your door closed.
Yeah, everybody thinks they can do this to my car.
You're the one that started yelling and screaming.
I said, what are you going to do with your fucking car, dude? It's in my race.
My kids are right here.
No, you're the one that started losing it, dude.
You're the one that started screaming and yelling at me for parking here.
I said, are you going to move on?
Where would you like me to go, sir? Where would you like me to go? Tell me, where would you like me to go? You're the one that parked sideways.
It looks strange is all I'll say, okay?
It's all good.
It's all good. It's all, well, if you did in my car,
I didn't dent your car.
I don't know what you did to it, but you sure slammed it hard. Everybody thinks they can take a hit of this car, man. This needs to be on record.
It's all good. Cops will be here and they'll take your report.
Good, that's good.
You're the one that started
You
yelling.
don't have the right to touch my car, dude,
You don't
okay?
have the right to start yelling and screaming at me. Where am I supposed to go? You're the one that parked sideways.
There's no right to come up and slam my door, brother.
You're the one that started yelling.
Okay, you're my
at
dog.
me.
I didn't yell nothing at you. I was like, what the fuck
Really?
is this?
You didn't start yelling at me.
Dude,
You're the one. I was in my truck and I could hear you screaming.
I have a dash cam, okay?
Good.
Okay?
I don't know what you want or what your problem is. You're the one that parked sideways.
Well, I don't come up
Where
to
would you
people's
like me to
car
go?
and
I'll tell you what. I'll do this.
start slamming my
I'm gonna
car.
get my truck for you. How's that sound?
Yeah, it sounds, we're good. We're good. We moved up.
No. I'm gonna back out. I'm gonna back my trailer out so you can get in.
No, it's George, H is in Henry, A is in King, 405.
You're good, dude. The whole thing, I didn't appreciate the tantrum, okay? Fine, yeah.
Good? Just making sure you're okay, pal.
Yeah, touch my car. Get back, dude. Get back. They always act like she's carrying a gun. They're all gun smacking, following creeps. Come on, dude. Get out of there. Get in, dude. Get in. I'm stuck, guys, I swear. I swear. This is a setup, man. What are you looking at, cunt? Look at these dumb cunts. Here, this pistol packing cunt. Okay. Here's the cops pulling in. Look at it. Like something really went down. Like something really went down. This is crazy. Okay? This is crazy. Stay. Hey, sir. Hey, yeah, I was over here getting ready to leave. I just got gas and was getting ready to leave. This truck pulls in and angles his fucking wheel right in front of me. So I started backing up, and it's like he did it on purpose, okay? So I was like, what the hell's up, dude? He gets out of his truck and runs up like he's on tweak. My door is open. He takes it and slams my door into me. My dog starts going cuckoo. And I said, okay, that's it. I'm calling the cops.
Where's he at?
He's over here. I still on meth, okay? Okay, you went ahead and
do you have it on camera?
You know what? I got Blade.
Let me go talk to him. Do me a favor.
Wait, just to let you know, these were on, but I don't know if they caught the whole thing because he went so cuckoo.
Let me go talk to him real quick.
Yeah.
Here for me.
We're all right. We're good now. We shook hands. Everything's fine. Done, right?
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you're not freaking out.
No, you started yelling.
Because you come up, slam my fucking door.
The whole family right here.
Yeah,
you were yelling so loud I could hear you over my Cummins. You don't do that.
Brother, I'm on record always, okay? I don't know if you noticed, I'm a retired agent.
Show him when you started screaming.
I don't want you guys.
We're good. I didn't appreciate him slamming my door.
I didn't appreciate you yelling and screaming for family.
I didn't even know you had family, okay? So you're a liar there.
Really?
Okay, yeah.
We don't need to keep going. Go back
it's good. The guy's just on the tweak, okay? He's on the tweak. He's lost his mind. Come over and shove my door while I'm in the car. He's on the tweak. If you can't tell he's on the tweak, there's something wrong.
He's definitely pissed off. But
He's on the tweak, brother.
Are you okay then?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I don't appreciate people touching my car.
Okay.
Okay, and that's why I said I'm going to call the cops. And then she becomes hurt, so I'll call the cops. And you know, it's pretty sick. Your town's getting to be a weird town just to get gas in, brother. Your tweakers are kind of working overtime because it is on record. And
okay.
But I'm good. You know, I don't think he did in my car. If he did in my car, there would have been a problem because there's enough people doing that. But thank you very much.
Okay.
Knuckle up.
Have a good day.
Yeah, listen. I think the car, you know, it's social media and people think they want to come play with it and see what they can get away with.
Sure.
This stupid bitch is packing a gun and shit. So, hey, guns and stuff, brother. How do you see it?
Carlos.
You're going to scare me. Those guns don't scare me because you know why? Because most people know how to shoot like you anyway, Sarge, okay? Right. They're going to lose.
Right,
so listen, hey, Sarge, let me tell you what. I want your town to behave. If they're affiliated with cops playing that kind of business, I'm stuck here till the 8th.
Okay.
My check's not on. So, you know what?
I have no idea who these people are.
Huh?
I have no idea who these people are.
They're on the twack. I could spot the twack a mile away. I used to work narcotics. So you ought to pull them over and say, look, we want to run a narcotics test on you.
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, take it easy, man. Hey, by the way, hey, brother, I wanted to tell you something. I thought your chief did a really good job last time I was through here. I thought he was a real nice guy. What's his name again?
Tommy Klein.
Tommy Klein. I thought he was a pretty good guy. Yeah, we're cooking with these always, brothers. So see the little green light?
Sure.
It's on all day long.
Sure.
So, and then I just dump it. If there's nothing on it, I just blast over it. But they stay on daily.
Cool.
All day. So.
I'll help out. All right. Well,
yeah. Anyways, he was on record pulling that shit. I don't know if they flipped on quick enough, but yeah. I don't appreciate people touching my car. So, excuse me. Hey, miss? Miss? Yeah, I just didn't appreciate him touching my car, okay? Do you know those guys? Did you know those guys at all?
We'll see you later.
Did you know those guys at all? Are they your friends? I thought they might be your friend. Yeah, that's the one. I thought they were her friend. They're her friend, Americans. That was her friends. CZH668. That was her friends. Packing guns, looking stupid. You touched my fucking car. That's the trouble there, folks. That's the trouble one. Scoot over, dude. Scoot over. that looked awfully strange is all I'll say. I'll say that looked really strange. Yeah! Don't worry, I put cops in prison, everything's okay. They don't want to hang out very long with the wire, man. Things get hot quick.